Cocktails, people. This is my first stop. Let's see what that bartender has in store for me. Hello. I was going to ask you, what is your favorite drink to make here?
My favorite drink will probably be the Mami Cocktails.
All right. Ooh, that is good. Next, you're a bar owner and a bartender. But when you're off duty, where do you like to go? And what do you want to order there?
It's hybrid Saigon. The guys have a hybrid, the Kiwi drink that they've actually just added to their menu. Amazing.
The Kiwi.
The Kiwi drink.
So I gotta order the Kiwi drink.
You gotta go for the Kiwi drink.
Awesome. Cheers, Nate. Thank you very much.
You know what? Cheers.
Boom. So next up, hybrid bar for the Kiwi cocktail. Whatever that is, I take it from him. That's the next go. We are in District 1 now. Okay, let's find some hybrid. So it's upstairs from this bar, which is Tipsy, which is a very cool bar too. I grew up in New York City. This has like East Village dive bar vibes. I brought some friends. I was recommended by Mami Bar, the owner. His favorite place to come and have a drink was hybrid with you, and that I need to drink a Kiwi cocktail, which is your new drink.
Yeah.
That one.
Exactly.
Lots of flavors going on. It's a ride on my tongue, my friend, a ride on my tongue. Cheers, thank you. So now I want to know, when you're off duty and you're not in, you're not in a triangle with your wife and kids,
Yeah.
and you want to go out for a drink, your bar is closed, Tipsy is closed, where do you want to go and what should I order?
I'm Martini guy, so
Okay.
I recommend you go to Boozy Saigon for like a best Martini ever for me.
Booze Saigon
Also,
and have a
yeah.
martini.
Yeah.
What's your favorite martini?
Dirty Martini, very, very dirty Martini.
Like triple X dirty.
Yes.
All right, my friend, that's my next stop. Thank you, brother.
Okay, thank you so
Appreciate
much.
it.
Appreciate it. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm taking my friend Liam's recommendation, and we are gonna hit Boo to have a dirty, dirty, dirty martini. Let's go. America, fuck yeah. Hello. Liam told me that you make the most amazing dirty, 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 dirty martini.
Yeah.
So he said I need to come to you and
Thank you.
order that.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Ann.
Enjoy this.
Beautiful.
Enjoy, Casey.
Oh yeah. That is delicious. When you're off duty and your bar is closed and you want to go and have a drink,
Yes.
what is your favorite bar to go to and what do you order there? Favorite
May I
place?
recommend at BK Maltroom?
I'm on it, brother. That's my next stop. Thank you very much for your recommendation.
Yes.
Okay, Taven, now that I'm getting a little buzzed, I kind of need an escort. How would you feel about joining me?
Sure. Yeah, yes. Cheers.
Cheers. Sidecar. You said that you have the best sidecar in Saigon. So that's why we're here. And I can't wait to try, okay? Awesome. You are the fourth bar that I've been on this bar tour. Look, hi, bye, yo. Easy to drink, delicious.
Thank you.
Wow. Where do you go for a drink in Saigon? And what is your favorite drink to order? And yours will be my last stop on my tour. So where are we gonna go?
We go to the telephone bar. That is speakeasy bar.
We're gonna go to the telephone bar. It's a speakeasy bar. I've actually been there. They're super cool. That's our next destination. One of my first bars, it's a speakeasy. I'm really glad to end this incredible bar tour here.
Yeah.
What are we gonna drink?
The Daiquiri.
We're gonna drink a daiquiri up in Telephone Bar. So
Let's go.
let's go. Hello? Hello? Hi! I really love the vibe here. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's really nice. So what is your recommendation when you're not working? What's your favorite bar? And what should I order when I go there?
Well, for my opinion, so from when I was not working, I want to go another bar. So my favorite spot will be the Aviation.
Aviation, that's a good one. Next stop, Aviation. Having an old fashioned, and I'm bringing you with me. You ready for the journey? Yeah. All right, Em. I'm gonna say cheers. And I'm gonna say goodnight. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following the journey. Thank you, Dot, for hosting this. Yo, here we go. Yo, Kel.